Pane shona inoti kana uchida kuziva muridzi wechidhoma chizvambaradze zvikuru kwazvo. Ndo zviri kuitika panapa. Weaknow Chivhayo has been exposed for a very long time, and mukuru representative yemukuru yazobuda pachena ichimudefenda. Zvikanzi aiwa Weaknow Chivhayo munhu ane mari dzake, imira munaro igodo. Regai tinzwe kuti vari kuti chii.
I'm impressed to talk about a young man who does not belong to our church, who has gone spending his money the way he wants. We don't know how he made his money, but we think we do know that he made his money in a wrong way. Even if we don't know how he made it, we have already concluded. And in our jealousy, we are now beginning to think that he did something wrong. And then he went and gave an offering to his church, Joanne Masoe. And we were all in aghast. How can he spend this money, giving all these people these cars or this offering? That is the speech of one who does not have. He gave an offering to his church. Those who are listening to my voice have $10, have not given a cent to the Lord. You worry about someone who is spending his money with his God, not worrying about the little that you have in your pocket. And then you want to teach him how to give. What have you given? That gives you the right to speak about his giving. We are confused. So we go to this Twitter or this Facebook and we start attacking him for what we do not have. If God was to have mercy, no, not to have mercy. If he was to show unkindness to you and give you, what were you going to give to the church? Are you listening to me? Amen. We are worried about how he is spending it. Not worried about how we are spending the little that we have. Why don't we concentrate on the little that we have? Right now, those who are listening to my voice have come from all over to be able to hear, but not to spend for Christ. We are always listening, waiting to be given. And others are being given. You are jealous that it is not you who is given. I have had situations where people have criticized me, but when they've come with their problems, I solve it. Then they start singing praises. You wonder, was that criticism because of lack or because I did something wrong? Because you must be able to criticize me even after I've given you. Leave Weaknow alone. Leave him alone.
So, Kudata Tangirei misses the point. Point number one, he says, we do not know how Weaknow Chivhayo made this money, so we must keep quiet. We are asking, how many people are you employing as Weaknow Chivhayo? This is an issue of transparency. Okay, we are saying, where is the Gwanda Solar Project? These are the issues we are asking because our businesses are being run down because of magetsa rukungo enda. And we are asking, our Gwanda solar project iripi? Okay, what about the 22 million yawakapiwa from ZPC by the High Court? What did you do which warranted you to be given 22 million even in mama court challenge avochoiwa? Those are the issues vanakuda tagwiridza vanodenga vachida kunzvenga. But what he is not actually saying is, uyu munhu waED, iye kuda munhu waED, and kuda is simply defending Wikner on behalf of his boss. That is simple. That is simple. So izvi zvavo zvokuzoti anzi siyai Wikner akadaro, hatisi kuzomusiya ka Wikner. Because we have to talk about these issues. We have to address these issues. Kana asiri munhu waED, why is it that vanakuda vari kumhanya kuzomudefenda? Why is it that he is failing to actually come out clean with, guys, I have my investments, inonzi nengina. Last time he said, ndine ma-truck 50, chitipa evidence, akatadza. So, hazvina zvinobatsira hama dzangu.